Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about a crocodile. The young crocodile emerged from the egg with a length of 20 minus 30 centimeter or 8 minus 12 inches. At first it remains with its siblings, concealed at the edge of its water habitat in order to avoid various predators. Principal among these are fish and birds. But larger crocodiles also prey upon the young. Cannibalism and social exclusion are thought to greatly affect population dynamics and regulate population growth during the first 3 to 4 hours. The young increase in length by about 30 centimeter, about 1 foot per year. The growth rate then gradually decrease, but growth can continue through life cycle. Maturity occurs at about age 10 and at the body length of about 1.5 or 3 meters, 5 to 10 feet. Crocodiles in captivity are known to have reached age of 30 or more years, but longevity in the wild is poorly known. Lifespan estimates in the wild are based on growth rates and limited studies of bone growth rings suggested the lifespans of wild crocodiles and those in captivity may be similar. Nile crocodile, crocodiles Nilosity or can external or saltwater crocodile 6 meters about 20 feet long may live as long as 80 years on average. The lifespan of alligator and caimans is thought to be between 30 and about 60 years. Various true crocodiles are thought to live 50 to 75. Crocodiles are mostly nocturnal animals. They are predators and spend most of their time in the water, although they are also known to make journeys of several kilometers over land. In the first week of life, crocodiles eat insects, snails, small fish, frogs and tadpoles. Older crocodiles mainly eat fish and are more adapted to prey upon waterfowl and on mammals. Occasionally, a member of one of the larger species eat a human, though such incidents happen so infrequently that crocodile cannot be generally regarded as man-eater. Crocodiles capture water animals in their jaws with a sideway movement of the muzzle. They have sensitivity pressure receptors located in pits in the scales around the mouth that detect motion. These structures assist in the capture of prey in dark or murky water to catch or remain motionless at the edge of the water where prey immediately drink. With a sudden lunge or its side an unsuspecting animal and drawn.